This is the capital letter beta, and this is the small letter as in beta, and it is called like this, boy. Now the third letter of the Greek alphabet is called gamma. You write like this, and this is the capital letter and the small letter. It is called gamma, like this. Gamma is written like this, game. So gamma, this is called gamma. And the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet is called delta, or the symbol is like a triangle. It is called delta. And this is the capital letter and this is the small letter. It is called delta, like this. Delta. If you write it like dog, delta as in dog. Now you learn the beta, gamma, and delta of the Greek alphabet. If you like the lesson like this, then subscribe our channel and share and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to our videos like this.